Salt marshes are teeming with life, and in today's video we'll be exploring one and helping you guys find animals and teaching you where exactly to look, making it easier on you to find these animals next time you visit one. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. So when I come to a salt marsh, I use the same tactics I use at beaches when I look for animals. I flip over rocks, I look in the water. So hopefully with those two tactics, we'll be able to find some stuff here. Let's get to it. So right here is a great area, lots of rocks. Let's get flipping. Look at that, little green crab. And just like that, a little green crab. So green crabs are the most basic animal you'll find at a saltwater ecosystem. They help break down dead and decomposing plant matter. These guys and the sea snails here are basically decomposers, the very crucial animals that help keep this ecosystem clean. It's a very cool animal. I love green crabs. This is a very small one, as you can tell. They'll get a lot bigger, around maybe 5 to 6 inches. Nice find. So like I said, the green crab and the sea snails here are great decomposers, helping clean the ecosystem up. And this right here is a good example of the species. This is an eastern mud snail, I'm pretty sure. And these guys are just going to be out looking for algae and also feeding upon whatever falls that's decaying and feeding on whatever else is out here that's decaying. So very useful critter, helping maintain this good ecosystem. And if you can see right here, it has what's called a foot, which helps drag it along the floor of the salt marsh or the oceans out there. And yeah, they're prey for a lot of things. Crabs will eat them, fish will eat them, birds will eat them. They just are a very important animal, keeping that food chain in balance too. Another really cool thing I just found on this rock with the sea snail is a whole row of tiny miniature sea anemone. And they're all just kind of curled up because it's low tide right now, so they're kind of waiting out until the high tide flows back in. What a neat find though. Now that we've seen most of the smaller animals here, I'm hoping we can find some bigger creatures that make this ecosystem so unique to visitors and people like us. So let's head down here to the more wide part of this tidal marsh and see what we can find. A lot of animals in salt marshes use cover to hide. So right in this hole, I think I found a massive crab. I'm gonna try and like get my hand and kind of push it out, and hopefully we can get it up close for the cameras. Oh, look at that. I don't know what crab this is, but let's wash it off and find out. This seems to be a lot bigger version of that smaller green crab we found. I'd say this is around juvenile to fully grown. Wow, that's crazy. These holes must all be where these type of species go to burrow down, probably with other crab species too and other invertebrates that live in the salt marsh. And the one neat trick I learned about how to identify green crabs from other crabs is that on the top of their carapace, which is this hard part right here, so they have 5 spikes, and if you spell out green, it matches up with the spikes. So here's what I was talking about. On the shell right here, there's one spike right here. So that is G-R-E-E-N. That's how I identify that these crabs are green crabs. He did seem to lose a claw and some legs, but those will eventually grow back over time. And he definitely is very feisty. If I try, let's see how bad it hurts, honestly. Ooh, ow, ow, okay, yeah, ow, wow, really sharp, okay. Put him back in the hole I found him in. And try and cover that hole up again. Hey guys, so I wanted to wrap up the video today as my camera's battery died yesterday. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you thought, subscribe. I'm hoping these tips kind of helped you guys figure out where to go in salt marshes and what animals live here. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to go out there and see what nature has for you. I'll see you guys later.